Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can uninstall Elsa Speak on your mobile device. So, what you need to do is go ahead and locate Elsa Speak. Tap on it and go to its settings. Now, you can see the uninstall button on the bottom of the screen. Click uninstall and press OK. This way Elsa Speak will be uninstalled from your phone. Let me show it to you once again. You can either locate the Elsa Speak and click uninstall directly and press OK, or else tap on it, go to its settings. You can see the uninstall button, click on uninstall and press OK. This way Elsa Speak will be uninstalled from your phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.